a real proud moment for us to have Reliance Digital as the partner of the movie Mary Kom. Today's event will be live casted on Reliance Digital YouTube channel. Well, can we have a huge round of applause for Priyanka and Darshan Kumar over here?
खुद के सारे मुझ में भर गए तुम रहना यूं ही सामने हर पल यहाँ.
Reliance Digital team came up with a contest called as Bollywood Goes Digital Contest. This contest was conducted on Facebook and Twitter. The Knockout Challenge quiz and the Knockout Challenge bidding, the proceeds of which will be given to the Give India to support the cause of girl child in India. Now, I would request Mr. Jay from Give India to share a few lines about Give India Foundation. Can we have Mr. Jay from Give India Foundation to please come up on the stage and share a few words with us?
Give India is India's largest online donation portal with over 200 credible NGOs listed on it. And we'd like to thank Reliance Digital to associate with us and make us a part of this grand event, and wishing all the success to the team of Mary Kom as well.
Well, Reliance Digital is proud to share that via the knockout bidding contest, we were able to generate handsome amount which will now be handed over to the Give India Foundation. I would now request Priyanka and Darshan to do the honors of presenting the check to the Give India Foundation. Well, can we have a huge round of applause for this, please? It's now time to call upon the winner of the Bollywood Goes Digital Contest, and the winner is... It is Anika! Can we have a huge round of applause for Anika? And now, Anika is a little hesitant and maybe shy, but I would request Priyanka to please hand over the gloves to Anika. And can we hear it for Anika and Priyanka? Come on everyone, huge round of applause for both of them. These are the gloves which are being signed by Priyanka Chopra. Priyanka, just show it to the audience over here.
सबसे पहले तो hi everybody, thank you. Thank you for coming here, to all our media friends and of course all my Twitter and Facebook fans. You know how much fun I have talking to you all. I have to say thank you to Reliance Digital. They are my biggest champions. Somebody I can always depend on as a brand. We've had an amazing relationship over so many years, and it is because of my associations with brands like Reliance Digital that I can do the films that I do, like Mary Kom. Otherwise, you know how it is with girls' movies. But I'd like to thank them. We are very proud as a team that we've been able to associate with Give India and actually give back to the community in whichever way that we could. Reliance Digital always does it, I always do it, he also always does it in terms of individuals, but as a team it makes us really proud. So thank you to everybody. It's a very special Thursday for us. We have our second weekend coming up, so we are very excited. And now for a Q&A.
Hello Priyanka.
Hi, what's your name?
Hi Darshan, Asmita.
Hi.
Asmita. Nice.
Okay, so my question to you is, which was the most challenging role ever in your career?
You know, different films have different challenges. Like when I first did the first Dawn, तब action मुझे कुछ नहीं पता था. So I had to learn Tai Chi, I had to learn riding a bike. तो वो मुश्किल था. Then when I did Aitraz, वो बहुत मुश्किल था. I mean, I was just 20 years old and it was such a difficult role. Of course, Fashion, Barfi, ये सब तो फिल्में आती हैं. सात खून माफ, I mean, Mary Kom. मेरी काफ़ी सारी फिल्में काफ़ी challenging रही हैं मेरे लिए. Thank you.
Thank you.
You want to ask me a question? Come here and ask me. You can't sit down and ask. Okay. What's your name?
जिसल शाह.
जिसल शाह, आप क्या question पूछोगे मुझसे?
Can you teach me fighting?
उसको सबसे पहले उसको fighting नहीं boxing बोलते हैं. बोलो.
Boxing.
Boxing, या सीखोगे? अच्छा ठीक है.
Very nice.
for me. The greeting card. Oh, thank you, Arvind. You have all my newest pictures also.
आंखों से तेरे ही
Thank you.
लगी है हम पे खुशी
Make me wear it.
होठों पे तेरे ही गाने लगी है अब जिंदगी
अरे लड़की को ज्वेलरी देते तो पहनाना भी चाहिए. Correct or not, boys? So what if I'm a boxer? राखी तो नहीं लग रही ना ये? Friendship band. It's a friendship band. Good job. That's a good. Oh, thank you. It's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Hi Priyanka ma'am.
Hi.
I want to sing a song for you. Can I
Of
come?
course. What's your name first?
Mohak.
Mohan.
Mohak. K.
Mohak.
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 Can I
Okay.
come?
Yeah. Come. Sing.
मिला हूँ अब जो तुमसे है दिल को मेरे कसम से सुकून मिला
Come on, guys.
सुकून मिला
Wow.
तुझे है पाया रब से है दिल को मेरे कसम से सुकून मिला सुकून मिला
सौदेबाजी एक हंसी से कर गए तुम बातों बातों रंग खुद के सारे मुझ में भर गए